Oh, a golf course. You drop me off.
I'll pick you up on Sunday.
Yeah, pick me up on Sunday.
Alright, what's up guys? We are on our way to New Jersey. We are running Lightning today with the E46 M3. About an hour to go till we're there. It's like nice weather, should be in like the 60s today. We got today and tomorrow we're doing Thunderbolt, and then we'll see how it went. hopefully well. We made it. Now where are we going? I don't know.
You've never been here?
Following that guy. I gotta try and keep up with him.
You said it sucked?
The traffic sucked. The car worked. I don't know how I feel about the track yet.
So the brakes are working?
They're working. Day 2, we're still at New Jersey. We're doing Thunderbolt today. Also haven't ever been here. It's a little bit longer track. I think we have 4 sessions today. Should be a quick day, honestly. I think we're out of here at 2:30, so should be fun. Nice weather again today. It's kind of cold right now.
I don't know if yesterday was nice weather. It was windy.
It was nice and cold.
I wasn't in the car, I don't think, all day.
I know, you were out in that. It's much less windy today.
Yeah, it's much more calm. Matt went to registration. Riley's starting the car. Getting it warmed up, then checking fluids. We're a full-blown race team.
Something like that.
You like this one better than the Lightning?
I do. I feel like this one rewards bigger balls.
Bigger nets.
My balls were getting big in that last section. 130,
I need a bigger seat.
Yeah.
It says my optimum's a 131.69. My fastest lap was a 131.79, but it says my fastest lap was a 132.16. The algorithm's broke.
You broke it.
Yeah. What's your quick lap right now?
39. A mile.
These tires also slide through the turns better than the Falcons.
You like maintain that slip traction.
I don't know, yeah.
Again.
Oh my gosh. We got a rare New Jersey occurrence. Filling our own gas tanks, breaking the law.
Yeah, I definitely like Thunderbolt more than Lightning. They both have their own merits, I guess. That's probably the best way to put it. Thunderbolt, that last turn complex there's kind of bothersome and annoying, but I mean it is a challenge, so I don't know. I still like walk-ins the most. Now that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, these are all cool. Done with day 2. Good day. Car worked.
Didn't break.
Didn't break.
That's a positive.
I didn't have to screw around with it at all this weekend, so that's been wonderful.
Yeah, so it was like Watkins Glen was just, you know, I guess working the bugs out of the setup.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's... Unfortunately, Watkins was like a shakedown run, and I thought I was figuring that out in Pocono, and I was mistaken. So I think the car's finally sorted out where I can start to make changes to try to like make it do what I want it to do a little bit. So that's one takeaway. Next one is that I think they are going to let me out of my novice group. So that's also a nice plus. Hopefully from here on out we'll be solo. Learning 2 new tracks this weekend, that was a lot to kind of get up to speed. I started to feel a little more comfortable the last run out there. It's just a lot of...
You have to wait for next time.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of stuff to work on, but you know, obviously I'm not going very fast, outright pace. But still in the learning phase. 'Cause I'm a squid.